What happens when Polar Peely gets his hands on Iron Man's flight kit and Captain America's shield? Today, we're about to find out in one of the most epic Fortnite adventures yet. Polar Peely is no ordinary character, he's already iconic in his own way. But pairing him with Marvel's legendary gear takes this game to a whole new level. Imagine soaring through the skies with Iron Man's flight kit and deflecting attacks with Cap's indestructible shield. The possibilities are endless, and the gameplay is nothing short of thrilling. The challenge: these powerful items are incredible but tricky to master. Iron Man's flight kit offers unmatched mobility, but it also makes you a prime target in the air. And while Captain America's shield is an incredible defensive tool, it requires precision and timing to block attacks and deal damage effectively. Can Polar Peely overcome these obstacles and rise to victory? Let's dive in. Right from the start, the action is intense. With Iron Man's flight kit, Polar Peely glides above the battlefield, dodging enemy fire while scouting for opportunities. The skies are chaotic, with snipers and rocket launchers aiming for anyone daring enough to take flight. But this is where strategy comes in: timing boosts, dodging threats, and choosing when to descend for a calculated strike. Upon the ground, Captain America's shield transforms into the ultimate game changer and effectively blocks incoming damage from Polar Peely. In close proximity, Polar Peely swiftly moves in, utilizing the powerful shield to bash opponents in addition to clearing the way. This combination of powerful aerial attacks and effective shield defense creates a dynamic and engaging playstyle, seamlessly blending realism and brute force power. Then comes the climactic showdown against a squad of skilled opponents. The storm is closing in, the tension is sky high, and it's all or nothing. Polar Peely takes to the skies one last time, dodging rockets and raining down fire with perfect precision. Landing gracefully, he uses Cap's shield to block a surprise attack, then counters with a shield throw that eliminates a key opponent. With one last leap, the final enemy falls, sealing an epic victory royale. This adventure proves just how versatile and powerful Fortnite's crossover items can be. Iron Man's flight kit offers unparalleled mobility, while Captain America's shield turns defense into offense. Together, they create a thrilling gameplay experience that's as fun to watch as it is to play. What was your favorite moment from this action-packed showdown? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're ready for more epic Fortnite content, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.